Let's learn how to see a Facebook password. It's very simple to do, but most people don't know how. Now, I'll show you how to see the password in a few steps. If you want to see it, stay until the end of this video. The first thing you need to know is that you can't do this in the Facebook app because you can only change the password there, not see the current one. However, you can see the current password by first going to Gmail. When your inbox opens, you'll see your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a page will open where you'll see the option Manage your Google account below your Gmail address. Click on that option, and when the page opens, you have these options to scroll left and right. Scroll a bit to the left, and you'll see the Security option. Click on it, then scroll all the way down where you'll see the Password Manager option. When you open Password Manager, find Facebook, as I did with Instagram just to show you. When you click on Facebook, Google might ask you to enter your Google account password. Enter it, and when you do, a page will open where your Facebook password is located. To see it, you need to click on the eye symbol, and that's it. You've successfully seen your Facebook password. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.